Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can find history in YouTube music on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, then swipe up to go into the app screen. In here, tap on YouTube music. Next, tap on the library at the bottom, and then tap on the profile icon at the top. Next, tap on history, and in here you'll be able to find all the history of the music that you have listened to or the music videos that you have watched. Now tap on the more button on the side. We also allow you to download the songs, add to the library, allow you to add to the queue or add to the playlist. And that's it. You can also remove from the history as well. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.